Hindi ko rin na-update ba?
Malayo-layo talaga. Mga ilang minutes, 5 minutes.
Oo.
Pero kaya pa, tingin mo na.
We appreciate the effort of the Chinese Coast Guard for heeding our call. Now because we dispatched a message as soon as we received the distress call in accordance with the International Aeronautical and Maritime Search and Rescue Manual. We dispatched a call to all MRCCs all over the world to render aid to a vessel in distress. And we thank the China Coast Guard for also listening to our call, for conducting the search and rescue operations themselves, and for the very orderly handover of the survivors and the deceased persons to the Philippine Coast Guard. Kahit doon sa laot yung mga barko natin na involved sa rescue operations na ito ay nagpaabot na rin ng ating pasasalamat sa ating kapwa Coast Guard sa kanilang pagtugon, sa kanilang responsibilidad bilang Coast Guard na mag-render ng search and rescue saan mang dako ng mundo. Hindi natin pinag-uusapan po ang teritoryo, hindi natin pinag-uusapan ang jurisdiction sa panahon na buhay ng tao ang nakataya. The initial statements of the crew suggest that the cargo, it was carrying around 55,000 tons of nickel ore. Nagkaroon ng liquefaction. Yung moisture content of the cargo caused the shifting of the weight to the left side of the ship or the port side, kaya siya nag-list. And the weather was not good. Medyo malaki-laki yung alon. So it is the initial suspicion that we have. No conclusive data yet. We are yet to conduct the appropriate investigation. What I want to highlight is the heroism of the captain of MV Devon Bay, si Captain Elimar Jucal from Negros Occidental. Hindi niya po pinabayaan ng kanyang mga kasamahan. Hindi po siya naunang umalis ng barko. At sa katunayan, isa siya sa 4 na missing pa sa ngayon na patuloy pa rin nating pinaghahanap. Mayroon po tayong Coast Guard aircraft na nasa area at mayroon pa tayong isang barko din na patuloy na nagkakandak ng search and rescue operations.
Based sa mga narration and account from the survivors, si Kapitan nga ang huling lumabas doon sa barko bago lumubog. So after noon, hindi na nila nakita si Kapitan kasi nung nagsitalunan na nga yung mga ibang crew kasi per instruction ni Kapitan na mag-abandon ship na sila. So siya ang huling lumabas sa barko.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.